How to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. First things first is to pull up your Google Chrome browser and then type in Chrome // flags. Hit enter, and from here search for parallel downloading. Now from here just set the default to enabled and then relaunch. Now, upon relaunching, just close everything. Second step is go ahead to your Windows icon right here and type in run. Now from run, all you have to do is type in ncpa.cpl and click on OK. From here, click on your right click on your current Wi-Fi connection, then go to properties. Scroll down, go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click on that, and then click on use the following DNS server addresses and type 1111. And for alternate DNS server, just type 1001 and hit on OK and close everything. Now, the last resort is gonna be go back to your Windows icon, type in cmd. Now from here, just simply type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and click enter. Now once everything is set, go to your Google Chrome browser and then you'll have to remove unnecessary or useless extensions. So go to the three dots right here and then click on extensions and manage extensions. From here, you need to remove the specific extensions that you don't usually use or useless extension. Now, after that, just simply restart your laptop and check if your download speed is improving. So that's it. That's how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed.